So welcome to this video. We're going to see how you can delete your Google cache on Google Chrome browser. If your browser is filled up with some cache files, it can slow down your browsing. So we're going to see how you can delete it on Google Chrome. So on your Google Chrome browser on your PC, head over to this right side here, hamburger menu. The right side, you head over to settings, then you click on privacy and security. Then you see delete browsing data here. You see here browsing history, cookies and other site data, cache images. This is the main thing we're going to delete. So to prevent deleting the other or the important things like browsing history, you have to untick it. If you show more here, these are the most important ones. So when you are done with this, you see it, you see cache images and files. These are the things you delete. So you just click delete from this device. So that's how you can delete your cache data from Google Chrome. So thank you for watching.